So guys, welcome back once again in this video, and this is Masum. So in this video, I'm gonna suggest you top 10 AI tools what I use in my daily life to improve my English speaking. So I'm gonna suggest you those. If you apply my tricks, I believe that obviously you will get success in your life. I mean, you can improve your English speaking. Okay. So before that, do subscribe the channel, like this video, and share this video. Okay, let's go to the cracks. It doesn't matter you are a beginner, you are expert, or you are working for any company, or you are working anywhere. But you need, what I want to say, that you need a good English. If you can speak in English, then you can improve, you can enhance your ability, you can express yourself at anywhere with confidently. So I don't want to waste your time. So the first one is always my favorite, all-time favorite. You're already aware of this, and which is ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is like a partner. Particularly for me, it's a partner. I use it to fix my grammar. I use it to make a conversation with it through voice chat, or you can also chat by typing messages. Yeah, okay. If you are working anywhere else, then you can write emails and paragraph, anything else that is which is best, like very important for that particular field. So you can take help from there. You can learn too much vocabulary from ChatGPT. You can use it to understand confusing sentences. Just type the sentences and send it, and make ask ChatGPT to make you feel comfortable to understand it. And within a few seconds, ChatGPT will reply you everything. Okay, number 2 is Gemini. Now Geo is providing, I'm not promoting anything else. Geo is providing Gemini Pro 18-month free. So you can take the advantage from your Geo app. So my topic is that you can use Gemini. Just upload an image to Gemini and ask Gemini to describe that particular picture, and Gemini will describe everything A to Z accurately. So you can learn also from there. Also you can learn tricky grammars, diagrams, etc. And number 3 is Perplexity. Perplexity is like a ChatGPT, which is better than ChatGPT may, but I not recommending that Perplexity is better. But Perplexity is best for learning daily English phrases and understanding difficult topics, difficult grammars also. You can improve your reading skills. Also, you can get real examples from the internet too. And also there are so many AI apps that you can use. I am not recommending too much, and I am not promoting those AI apps here. Like Cloudy AI, ELSA Speak, 𝗙cie, Talkpal AI, Lingify, etc. etc. So in the conclusion, I want to suggest you that AI tools just speed up your journey, but consistency is the key. Consistency is the king, queen, and the entire royal place. So just 5 to 10 minutes a day, reading, speaking, and you can write also, listening, asking questions, and repeating it, which all can help you to improve your English speaking. So you can use these AI apps to improve your English speaking. So in this short video, what I suggest you, if you found this video a little bit helpful, then please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. And let me know in the comments in which topics you want me to make a video next time. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.